Hi, cookie friends. Happy Thanksgiving. Let's make an adorable turkey dinner cookie set. You're going to need a compartment tray like this. I got these on Amazon. You're going to need buttercream. These are Sicklets candies. I got these on Amazon. You can also get them at Party City, sometimes Walmart. You're going to need little butter pats, which are Starburst, and of course, your adorable little turkey sugar cookies or turkey leg sugar cookies, and then some type of caramel. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me show you how to build it. Take one of your trays, drop it right there, and then I'm going to have you mix some of the peas with the carrots. Jiggle them around. Adorable veggies for our dinner. Then I'm going to have you take an ice cream scoop and get some of that lovely buttercream and put it in your tray like mashed potatoes. Give a lot because guess what? It's Thanksgiving. And then I just take the bottom of a spoon and kind of mush it in there so that there's room for that butter and the caramel sauce, which is the gravy. So I'm going to go ahead and add my gravy, which is this caramel sauce. Again, don't be skimpy, right? We all love gravy. So there's our gravy. Take one of your Starburst, plop it in the center like butter. We are almost done. And then I'm going to take my turkey legs, lay them out here, and add the lid. We've got an adorable turkey dinner. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.